Good morning, traders. How are you? I hope you have a beautiful day like I have. I was looking of GBP Swiss franc that if it's going to break this area, then definitely it's gonna continue to go down, maybe at least to hit this point at 1.20, 140. But I can see that also on the 1 hour the price is rejecting this area, and maybe it's gonna go up to retest again this zone. So there is really nothing especially to trade. That's why I said that Monday you don't trade. I mean, because you don't have nothing really special. Sometimes in the London session the market moves very beautifully Monday, but I can see that now it's like ranging. It's nothing for me to give you. I mean, I was waiting some setups and I'm still waiting that setup, and if the price is going to break this area, then we can have a sell. I mean, a short position, something like this one, okay? But for a moment, nothing. So when I will be ready and when I will see something very concludent, I will give it to you, okay? I'm trying to find also for Euro JPY, but in the same time I went before on the chart before going to live, and I saw that Euro JPY, if you put it on the daily, it tapped the daily zone. So we are at the daily support right now, and we do have two possibilities. That, remember, in this area where we have this green box, we've been a lot of time, this box, okay, we've been a lot of range zone, okay. Let me put it right here. We had the range zone, okay, and when you have the range zone, it's very difficult to trade it. Okay, you can trade it, it's not impossible, but you need a lot of practice, okay. Right now I want to see if the price is going to reject from this daily support and the price will continue to go up. But we have the other possibility that if we have momentum, then the price can break this daily support and we can continue to go down. And if I'm looking on the daily, I can see that we have a very strong zone which seems like it's a little bit impossible to break it right now, because we have let me do it with the brush. Where is it? Okay, with the brush we have this wick that rejected, we have this one, we have this zone that it couldn't break this area and it came down. Here the price was in the range zone and it wanted to break it many times, but it couldn't. And also here we have another one, and let's say that we have also this little situation here. So let's see if we can break this area, the daily support, for the price to continue to go down. If the price is breaking that area, you don't go, let's say, I mean, if you are trading without me, put, I don't know, maximum 20 pips, okay, like a profit, and you will see if you can catch it. I mean, you don't have to trade all this area, and what I'm saying is that because we have this clean candle, there is the possibility that the price can break this zone to fill all this candle here, come to this zone at 124, let's say 600, and then to come back up again, retest it, to retest again the daily support, and then the price to come back down again. We don't know, we just have some possibilities. Good afternoon. Hello, hello. How are you? How was your weekend? Okay, so coming back to Euro JPY, we have to wait at least at least the 4-hour candle to close, and like this we can say that we have a direction. There is nothing really special. If I'm going to Euro USD, it's in the same situation. It's like trying to break this area, and if I remember, I put again like the daily support. Yes, Euro USD, it's the same at the daily support. That's why you need at least 1 day. If you are trading long, you need at least 1 day for a confirmation. Okay. I mean, I really don't like anything. It's like I am waiting for the price to do something, to bounce up again from here, maybe to come to this area at 1.21, 118, let's say, to do a retest, and maybe the price to come back down again. We don't know exactly what it's going to happen, and I can say that we have a clear sky. We don't have any news, and we just have to wait. We don't have any other alternative, let's say. Or if you want to trade something, I don't know what. I mean, you need a setup, you need something like I had yesterday, because I think you know already that also Saturday and Sunday I give courses online, and I had yesterday a student, a girl. Well, she's very good, and I explained her some things, and after that she realized that she doesn't need to trade more than 2 pairs, and she has to trade let's say on the 4-hour chart, 1 hour, and 15 and 30 minute confirmation. So I wanted to say that I have also girls in this group, and they are very good, and I am happy to see that girls have power, and they are trading very well, and they are consistent. I don't want to say the names of the girls, but they are here on the group. Maybe you know them. Okay. So coming back to Euro USD, If I will see any setup, believe me, I will have a trade. Like in this case, GJ rejected. Oh wait, okay. GJ rejected from this area, and maybe it's going to do like a retest in this zone. Okay. Maybe, I don't know, maybe it's doing right now the retest. We don't know. Okay, GJ also, it's very crazy. So maybe the price, it's like it wanted to tap again this zone, and we want to see if it's going to break it to come back up, or the price is going to reject from this area and then to come back down again. Okay. Let's see GU. GU, they are all in the same situation. We have to wait all the time, and I think that I told you before that 90% of the time it's waiting, 10% of the time you execute and you kill the market. If it's not killing you, the market. Maybe now here the price, it looks like it's trying to do like a retest to come back down again to this area. We don't know. For example, me, I don't have a problem waiting all the time. I don't really have any problem. You just have to wait, you just have to concentrate, or maybe you just focus on something else you are reading, because you don't have to stay 10 hours a day on the charts. It's going to ruin your eyes and your brain and everything. You will not be able to think logical, believe me, and you will not take good decisions. In this moment, I say a lot with you on the charts, because now this is my business, and I don't joke when I say that this is a business, because you have to think the same, that this is a business. This is not a joke. This is not a joke, me coming here and maybe we take a trade together, or me taking courses, or with you, or me I don't know, give the trading robot and so on. This is not a joke, this is a business. I take it like this, and I hope that you appreciate it and you think the same, because if you think like this, like a business, then your business it's going to grow, and you'll become profitable, you'll become consistent, and even remember that even if you don't trade, for example today, it's like a winning day. It's not a losing day, it's a winning day because you didn't lose anything. It's a winning day because you didn't touch your money from the account, and also in the same time you have learned something, and so on. Have a nice week all. Yes, let's have a very good and profitable week, and I wish this to all the people from my group. And I want to say that I thank you very much, because you are growing very fast, and I cannot believe, because at the beginning when I started, I said, my God, I am a girl, and maybe they will not trust me, maybe they will think that it's a fake photo, or I don't know, because you know that in the back of the computer there are a lot of crazy people, and every time when I start a new lesson with the students, they say that, oh my God, I cannot believe that it's you, I thought that it's a fake photo, and so on. And the thing is that I know in my case, because I am a girl, it's going to be a little bit harder to build this group, but I'm pretty sure that I will have a beautiful journey here with you and with a lot of pips. What do you think about gold? I think about gold that first of all, it looks like it's in the range zone on the 1 hour, okay? And you have to do just like this. And as you can see, I am, let's say, playing only with the price action, okay? So nothing much. And I can say that it's in a range zone, and you have to wait to see if the price it's going to reject this area, because if you look closer on the 1 hour, and then we're gonna, okay, here you have the price came back, the price came down, came back up, break through this zone, up again, came back down like a retest, and now we have to see if the price is going to reject this area to fill this wick, okay, and maybe to continue to go up, or the price is going to break this little support that we have it here. And as you can see, we have the red, the blue, and then the next it's a blue candle. So here we have like a support. Let me delete this one. Okay, remove it. And here you have like a support, and if the price will come and break this area, then it's gonna come to retest again this zone. There are a lot of pips, but it can make it in, I don't know, in 1 or 2 days, or maybe 3 days, depends. But in the same time, as you can see, we have here a very big rejection, which I really don't like it. And there is a possibility for the price to continue to reject this zone and then to go up again, okay? So in this moment, range, nothing. If you want to do something, you just watch gold, because also it's very difficult to trade. Look at this area now, it's rejecting, but in the same time, if I'm looking better, we have like a retest here. In my mind, it's like a retest, and yes, the candle is going to continue to go down, and maybe to fill this week if we have momentum. But don't think that it's going to happen today, because we don't have news. So be careful with gold. I don't really suggest you to play with gold, because it's very difficult, and you can lose your account, okay? What do you say there? You are very helpful and kind, Maddie. Thanks for everything. With pleasure. That's why I'm here, because I want you to learn, not only to receive signals, because I think that it's very important in the same time to learn how to trade, at least to have the basic things. Because if you are listening to me, coming here every day or staying in the group, believe me, you will learn a lot of things. I'm not saying about the courses and so on, but I'm saying that coming here, I think you can learn every day something, and it can be very useful, because at the end of the day, maybe you will start to trade on your own and you will not need any more signal, and you will thank me, because I gave you some advices, and I give them with all my heart, and I'm trying to protect you for not losing your money, and I protect your account. So it's like I'm a good person here, you know. The gold have a strong support on 1805. Let's go back to gold. 18 you said 1805. It's here. Yes, there is a very strong area, because as you can see, it rejected here. But in the same time, if we have momentum, and if you know what does that mean, momentum, you will see that maybe we have this possibility that the price may come down to fill this week. And if you look here, where not text, I want again my brush. Okay, it's here. Look at this week and how the price went down. Look at this week, and now we are waiting for the price to do something. Look at this week, and the price came down, and so on. There are some how you call them, some strategic points when, let me do also like this, it's easier like this for you to understand. Also, when you do analysis, you can do like this. Where do I have wicks? Okay? And like this, you can know where the candles may reject and where the candles may play. Okay? Now in this moment, this candle is playing here. It may come back up again to this zone and coming back down. If it's going to break it, then it's going to fill this whole week. I didn't say that it's going to happen today, now in the next hour. It may happen in 2 or 3 days, or maybe the whole week. We don't know, because also we don't have news. Okay? Okay. I send all my charts on Telegram, because on YouTube I am banned from send link. Why? Did you do something bad on YouTube? Why you are banned? You can send on the... Okay. Analysis on gold. Let's see. This is the range. 4-hour support. Pullback of the level created on 1840, breakout when the market closed last week, and the entry open market. I love it. Please send me charts like this. This guy is going to be a champion, believe me. If you're doing this every day, you're gonna become a millionaire. This is it helps you a lot doing this every day. You cannot imagine how many charts I did like this. You have to do this every day, every day, every day, even if you don't have where to send them. You just create your idea, you put it somewhere, you know, and then you can backtest it at the end of the day, if you play it or not, and say that where I was wrong, if I put the stop loss correctly, or my take profit, and so on, if I had my support zone correct, and so on. You can test yourself every day. Very good. I really appreciate that you send it, and I hope all the guys from the and the girls from the group, they will send the charts like this. They are very useful. Not for me, for you. And me, like this, I can see what you are doing. Okay? Good. So this is what's happening with the, I don't see because I have the mic here in front of the, okay. Let's see. So I said about gold, I don't see nothing special, just playing here like crazy. And you really need for the price to do something and to give you a confirmation. Okay, let's go to GJ. GJ is doing like, it can be like a retest, you know, for example, to have a short position from here to here. And let me see how many pips you have, like almost 18 pips. This is on the 30 minutes. I want to see on the 15. For this one to go into a trade, you need for the next candle to on the 15 minute for the next candle to be bearish again, because as you can see, this one, it closed it without a wick and it's rejecting this area, and it seems like it's the price retested this area. Okay, so for the next one to continue to go down, we need for the price to show us a bearish candle. In this moment, maybe let me do it bigger. Maybe in this moment the price, it's creating like a small wick, I mean going up to here, max to 50.80, and then the price to continue to go down. Maybe the price is going to continue until here, we don't know. But all the time when you go into a trade, you have to go in the smaller time frame to give you smaller confirmation. Okay, on the 30 minute, it shows that you have two rejections here, and that the price came down, retested, and now the price may continue to go down. Let me do it like this. Okay, good. So now we have to see if the price is going to continue to go down, at least to this point of 140.472. So never rush in a trade without any confirmation. We still have I don't see because of my mic. I will put it like this, and I hope you hear me well. The GJ is bearish and closed it below 14600. Really nice sell what I see. Yes, really nice sell what I see too. And I am waiting. The thing is that, the only thing is that I really don't like that we rejected in the same point 2 times. Okay, and this is the 4-hour candle. Maybe it's going to be very tricky, and the price, it will shoot up again to do the same thing. That's why we have to wait all the time to see what the market give us. In the same time, you see that the price already filled this week. And remember what I told you all the time, weeks are filled when you have momentum, and this already happened. We still have the possibility that the price may still continue to go down, at least in this zone, and where you see that we have many other rejections, and you see we have here a lot of weeks. Where is my brush? We have here these weeks and this one. These are multiple touches, okay? And this one the same. And maybe we can see GJ going down at least to this zone. We don't know. This is on the daily. But in the same time, we can see the price doing the same thing like it happened here. And remember that prices are always moving like well, let's say like a tennis or like a ball. It doesn't matter, like a ball, okay? and it's doing like this, up, down, up, down, up, down. And if it's down, maybe we should see an up. We don't know. Maybe the price is going to go again to 141, 272, and then the price to shoot down again. We don't know. That's why you need all the time confirmation. But you are right that this one, it looks to be the perfect break and retest. And remember, let me put it also on the 30 minute, all the time when you see something similar, believe me that it can brings you a lot of money and you can be profitable. And why I'm saying this, because you have to learn about what do I see here, and like what Eric from our group saw the same thing, that GJ it's in a bearish momentum, and it can be really nice for a sell. And we saw both the same thing. I saw it like a break and retest, and I explained you the price came back, break to this zone, came back here, then up again, retested this zone, and then the price should come back down again. Let's go on the 15 minute. This you should try to find every day to be profitable, okay? Break and retest. You have to find your pairs in a bearish or a bullish momentum. You see, it's going beautifully, perfectly. And we still have time. It's 14 and 36 minutes my time. We still have 8 minutes. I can say that I put my stop loss at the break even, and we had 10 pips the stop loss, and all the time you have to put your stop loss at the wick, okay? And it doesn't have to be very big. I said that I will wait until the price here, so I will close 50% of my trade, and 50% of the trade I will leave it to see if I will become more profitable, or I will be with the 50% and I will be very happy. You should do like this all the time. This is trade management. All the time when you are, let me put it, how should I put it for you to understand? When I don't have here, I think I should buy a new how you say, to design, to, you understand what I mean. When you are, for example, at the risk management, you have to know where is your entry, where you have to put your stop loss, and where you have to where you have your take profit all the time. How you say, when you place an order and you are very secure that this is happening, and now the candle is going into your favor, don't be greedy and take all this. Here we have almost 20 pips, okay, profit. Don't be greedy and wait for the 20 pips profit. Put, let's say, half of this one, okay, the 50%. I don't know if I can do like 50%, okay. Close 50% from your trade, and let the rest run. With this trade management, with this how you say, I trade like this. and you know, I am closing 50% of my trade and 50% I leave it. And if it doesn't go into my favor, it doesn't matter because I have already a win, okay? I didn't lose anything. So you have to think all the time at all possibilities to win, not to lose, okay? But in the same time, you have to protect your account. Break even, you can say. What break even? Ah, yes. That the price, if the price is going to hit this area, then it's going to be a break even. So like this you can be consistent. Now I don't care. Now I was profitable, and now I closed 50% of my trade. If it's going into my favor, fine. If not, I'm happy again, you know? Like this you can go into trades, and you have to be very patient like Eric did. And he saw something and I saw something, we saw the same thing, and I executed. Probably he executed too. Did you had the sale, Eric, or you are still in the trade? I will be very happy to hear that, because it's nice and you feel very strong when you catch pips, you know, when you do profit. So like this, you have to come in the market, see something, only if you see something, take the trade and go out and do whatever you want. Because even if you are a full trader, maybe you can put a bigger lot size, you will take, I don't know, a big amount of money at home, and after the trade you can go to eat, to have fun, to do gym, I don't know, to read something, and maybe you can come back in a few hours on the market again. Because I said, and I repeat, not in the GBP, I closed my position entry on 14600 and with 19 pips. I am happy, not more good with this trade, very happy. And you are correct, for trade with big lot and secure 50%, this method make it just with scalp, not with the long terms. With long terms, I cannot say that it's still working, but in the same time, how do I say, you have to place another order. I mean, you don't have to stay with only one, you know, you secure the first order that you are in profit, and you can put another one where you see that you have another resistance or support, and like this you can accumulate more. So I think this can make it for a trade with 0.2, and to use this method with 0.2, not really, but when you feel happy with what you have with 0.2, with 0.02, then you can close your trade. And to be honest, if you are not happy with that small amount of money, you don't have to play anymore. I mean, you have to be happy with what you have. And I am happy with what I have. Don't think that I put a lot size of 10, now closing with 50% of the trade. No, because I don't like to play like this with my money. Maybe I will place 10 when I will have a lot of money in my bank account, you know. But like this, no, I'm not joking. And I really don't want to say how much profit I made right now, because I don't want you to feel bad. And I said before, if you look on the charts on the group, that I don't want to post how much money I'm making, because I don't want you to feel I don't know, to feel bad. I don't know how to translate it, because some of you, maybe you have only max of $500, or maybe 1,000, or maybe 5,000, or maybe 50,000, or I don't know. It's better not to say how much money you make, because it's like your private thing, but in the same time I can show you how I am trading. Okay, so that's helpful. Thanks. Yes, it is helpful, and I told you, if you are coming here every day, you can learn a lot of things. And at the same time, when I have time to do the live sessions and to trade together, and you can come, and also you can place order with 0.01, 0.2, and so on. You don't have to place order only with 1 or 2 or 5 or 10, okay? Because again, I repeat, money are not growing in tree. No, it's not to think how much you make it. It's the psychology. Every strategy, it's on the management risky. If you are scalp, you need a good account when you can risk 2.5% or 3%. I say that don't risk more than 2% of your balance, because it's better to be safe. And first of all, like you said, the psychology, you have to feel very confident when you are taking that trade, and you have to feel comfortable if you will lose that money. This is one of the most important things, because you don't have to place an order and your body is shaking because maybe you're going to lose $50 on that trade, okay? So you have to feel very, very comfortable with what you are doing, because you are doing this, nobody is pushing you. It's about only that you have to exercise, and you have to find the right method which is the best for you and that works for you to to be profitable. If you risk and lose, you get to play another day. It's not like that. It's let's say that, okay, I found some traders that they said that, I lost, now I have to I don't know, now I need another trade, maybe I'm gonna catch back my money, and they are going in this this huge snowball that is going down, and it's becoming bigger and bigger, and they are losing more and more money. And I suggest to you that when you have a losing trade, stop to trade for that day. Go in the next day, or maybe after 2 days, because you will have your mind very clean, and because you will okay, you are coming fresh in the market, and you will have again fresh possibilities for you to trade, but you will not have the same feeling like you had it in that moment when you lost the money, okay? So yes, in a way you're right to get to play another day, tomorrow, after tomorrow, maybe next week. We can see that the price is still going down, and if you calculate I don't know which with what lot sizes you are using, but I can see that the price is going in our favor. This is on the 30-minute chart, and we still have 10 minutes for this 30-minute and 1 hour candle to close. and then we have another 1 hour for the 4-hour candle to close. And there is the possibility that the price may continue to shoot down. Madi, look and this analysis for GBP. Okay, I will look now. Let me leave it like this on the 30-minute because we still have 10 minutes for this candle to close. Where is it? Is this one? What do we have here? Breakout, clean traffic for more sell, level, create, breakout at this zone, use support. Okay, this is the support, good entry after retest. Exactly, you have to wait and see the same thing like it happened with GJ. Wait for the price to reject from this area, okay, to retest again this zone and wait for the candle to close below that resistance of 1.2845. And when you have that confirmation, maybe you don't go at the first candle like I did, okay, because that you can call it an impulsive yes, I can call it impulsive entry because you are doing in that moment. Or you can wait for the next candle if you want. You can wait for the next candle and you can go on the 15-minute or the 30-minute chart, and then you can place the order, and like this you will put also your stop loss. I would love also when you go into a trade, because also the analysis is very good, when you go into a trade, to put me also the exact value of where you have your stop loss, where is your entry, where is your take profit, and so on. This is very helpful. And you can do maybe exactly like I did here. I showed you before that usually I put the stop losses here at the wicks, okay, at the top of the wicks, because normally like this you have to put it, and you have to wait to see your candle going into your favor, and then you move your stop loss at the break even, and like this you secured your profits. And now we still have 7 minutes, almost 7 minutes for this 1 hour candle to close, and we have to see if the candle is going to continue down to hit our take profit, because we can have the possibility that the candle may go here around this area and maybe the next hour to shoot the down even more, okay. So please, when you still have analysis, send it to me. They will help you a lot. I wanted to say that there is a delay between me and you watching on YouTube. There is a delay also placing orders, you know, in the same time. I will do also the Zoom session that is going to be again live on YouTube, but this is going to be only for the people that they will be like in the VIP section, let's call it like this, because I am thinking how to protect and how to grow my business, because I can see that a lot of people are coming on this group and they are taking my signals and making money on my with my analysis, which is very ugly. And I hope that you will put your brain to work, not only for stealing, but to make some analysis, because it's not very hard. And I am thinking, and I have to find a solution for this because it's a problem. I call it like a problem, and I have to find a solution how to manage this problem. So I was saying that for the guys that will be on my my VIP group, let's call it like this, they will not have any delay, because everything will happen on the Zoom session. Okay, so there we can have trades every day, and also it's going to be in the same time live on YouTube, only that on YouTube you have a small delay. So I can say that I really don't like how this candle it's moving in this moment. Already I closed it 50% of the trade, and if I want I can close the whole trade, and I still have profits. So be careful when you are trading, and if you want to trade, don't trade more than don't have more than 2 trades a day, because you don't need. You just need, to be honest, 1 trade a day to be profitable. And if you are profitable and you can be consistent every day, you can make beautiful money, believe me. And after that, after 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, you can increase your lot size, and after that you can make more money, and so on. So you just need to be consistent, and you need to be very confident in what you are doing. And if you love this, I call it a job, this is very important. If you're doing it because it's like a passion, or because you want to make money. No, not to make money, to be a millionaire, to make billions. Believe me, you will not make money so fast, and you need a lot of time and hours looking on the chart, and profit after profit, and risk management, and so on. For the other pairs, I didn't see nothing really special. I took GJ because I saw what I saw. I saw the break and retest, and also Eric saw something on this pair. What I can say is that me, after this trade, I will be very calm, and it's like I'm waiting the day of tomorrow, but in the same time I will not leave it like this. I will still look on the charts, and I will still communicate with you, but in the same time I prepare the lessons and the homework for my students, and some classes, and I am very busy. So guys, what I can say is that don't overtrade, take care of your account. If you still have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask me. I hope that some of you took the same trade like I did, even if you took it with 0.02 or 5, it doesn't matter. It's a winning trade, okay? Sorry. And I am awaiting you on the group chat. Okay, I close my my trade. I am waiting you on the group chat, and hope to see you tomorrow too on YouTube to have more trades. What it's 3 o'clock. I don't know what this price is trying to do. I closed it because I didn't really like what happened here, and because this week closed it lower, then even higher, and even higher, but it may come down and then boom up, or maybe the price is going to continue down. So for me it doesn't matter. I'm not greedy. I'm happy with what I have, and I made some profit. So thank you so much for watching. I am waiting for you on the group chat, and I hope that if you didn't took this trade with me today, I hope that tomorrow or after tomorrow, if we find another possibility, to take it. And don't be ashamed if you have if you are losing a very small lot size, because a profit, it's a profit. Okay, so thank you so much.